What is up, iCoach Nutrition family? So a much requested video here coming at you, how to use an air fryer, okay? So this right here is a Ninja air fryer. It's probably one of the most utilized cooking tools in my house. I use this literally every single day, mostly for vegetables. I would say that's probably what I use it for most often. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you exactly how to air fry vegetables. And so when I say vegetables, this could mean green beans, snap peas, broccoli, cauliflower, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, bell peppers, really any vegetables at all, as well as, you know, obviously potatoes would count as a vegetable as well, just a higher carbohydrate vegetable there. And so this works great for all of those things. And so I have some green beans here left over. I'm gonna go ahead and just air fry these and show you exactly how I go about doing it. And that way you can be able to incorporate this as well. Again, this is something that essentially is the same thing as roasting vegetables in the oven. The difference is I don't have to sit here and wait for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, however long it takes for your oven to preheat. Also, it cooks faster than what the oven would, but it would end up making the vegetables come out roasted, you know, with that crispy taste to it there, in essentially a third of the amount of time. So all I do here is I'm gonna get my air fryer, I'm gonna pull out the little bowl here. I'm gonna take my vegetables, so I've got some green beans here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour all of the green beans into the air fryer. From there, what you're gonna wanna do, and this is gonna be pretty consistent across the board, I'm gonna get an avocado oil spray, okay? Remember, you're gonna be cooking the vegetables at a higher heat. So typically I cook mine at 400 degrees. So therefore I'm gonna wanna use a avocado oil, which is gonna have a higher smoke point in compared to olive oil. So I'll get my avocado oil spray, literally just gonna spray it over the top there. Then from there, almost every single one of my vegetables that I use, I do the same thing. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. So I'll take the salt, sprinkle salt all over there. Get my pepper, sprinkle the pepper all over there. And then I'll get my garlic powder, sprinkle garlic powder all over there. From there, I'll shake it up, put it into the air fryer, click power, turn the temperature up to 400, and then the time is going to be dependent upon the vegetable, but every single one of these vegetables is going to be between 8 to 12 minutes. So if you want to just start with 8 minutes not knowing, that works. For the green beans here in particular, I'm going to do 12 minutes, especially because I filled this thing up all the way. But anywhere between 8 to 12 minutes is going to be that sweet spot. With potatoes, regular potatoes, sweet potatoes, that's going to be more like 15 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes. To be able to do those, and sometimes even longer depending upon how much you're actually putting into the air fryer. So from there, I just click start. These things are going to be done in 12 minutes. Typically halfway through, I'll press pause, I'll shake it, that way I can just kind of mix it all up there, and then I'll continue on with the cooking. So I'll go ahead and fast forward through this video here. Once these are done, I'll pull them out, I'll show you what they look like, and obviously for all of you that follow in the iCoach Nutrition family group, if you're not in this, go on Facebook, search iCoach Nutrition Family, request to join the group, I'll add you in there. But all of y'all see all of my videos and photos that I post on a daily basis, showing you all the meals that I eat, all the meals that clients eat. And really, you know, my principle, my idea with all of this is I want these meals to be easy, I want them to be fast, I want them to be healthy, and I want them to be tasty. Okay, so those are all kind of like the core values, if you will, of what I want food and what my meals and what all of our clients' meals to look like when it comes to living a healthy lifestyle and our nutrition and how we're building out meals there. So let me fast forward through this. I'll bring you up to what it looks like here. And then as always, let me know if you have any questions. All right, guys, back again. Waiting for these guys to finish up here. So let's see what they look like. Perfect. So in 12 minutes, in 12 minutes while I was cooking something else. Remember, I was maybe over here on the stove top, sauteing up ground beef or bison or chicken or ground turkey or whatever it was that I was doing. This was over here cooking, and in 12 minutes, I've got green beans that look like this here. Not bad. If you don't have an air fryer and you haven't started using air fryers to cook your vegetables, it is an absolute game changer. It's gonna give you that same kind of restaurant taste, that crispy taste. You can do this with Brussels sprouts, green beans, broccoli, cauliflower, snap peas, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes. I mean, there's so many options there. Salt, pepper, garlic powder with an avocado oil spray, 8 to 12 minutes in the air fryer at 400 degrees. It's an absolute game changer. If you don't have an air fryer, get one. It's a $100 investment for the one that you're seeing right here with that Ninja air fryer there. And yeah, start air frying your vegetables in there. Let me know how it goes for you. And be sure to comment below if you have any questions with anything. All right, guys, until next time.